Today, let me show you how CoderNotepad's powerful remove tool helps clean messy data instantly, especially for transaction reports. In the Edit menu, you'll find the Remove tool. It has two parts, Remove and Remove Lines. Both are made to simplify big tasks. Now, I've already saved a real-world file, a business transaction report with customer names, phone numbers, status, amount, and date. Before starting, I go to the Count tab, use the Lines option, and see this file has over X lines. Let's say we want to contact only customers whose transactions failed, but manually. Scanning through every line to find failed is time-consuming. Let's clean it up. First, I copy completed and use the Remove Lines tool. I choose Anywhere and click Remove. Boom, gone. Then I do the same for pending. And just like that, only failed records remain. Now I can directly access failed cases, ready to call, email, or report. This saves time, improves accuracy, and speeds up daily tasks. This is just one of many reasons why CoderNotepad is loved by professionals, students, and data teams. Try it for yourself.